Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about Latam Airlines restarting a route between Peru and Jamaica. Now the tourism product in Jamaica is doing very well. Everybody wants to visit Jamaica. So this route will take approximately 45,000 passengers a year from Peru to Jamaica. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what's happening. Alright guys, so enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Latam Airlines Peru and destination Jamaica are pleased to announce the restart of the Lima, Montego Bay route, subject to government approval, a direct operation set to begin on December 1, 2024. This direct flight to Montego Bay, located in northwest Jamaica, will last just under 5 hours and will be operated with Airbus A319, A320 aircraft. It is projected that the route will serve 45,000 passengers in its first year of operation. We are delighted with the resumption of service by Latam Airlines that reaffirms our commitment to enhancing connectivity and tourism growth in this key region. This initiative marks a pivotal moment for Jamaica as we expand our reach within the Latin American market that will lead to increased arrivals and earnings for Jamaica's economy, stated Hon. Edmund Bartlett, Jamaica's Minister of Tourism. For his part, Manuel Van Oort, CEO of Latam Airlines Peru, assured, "This year as Latam Peru, we celebrate 25 years of operation in the country. Being able to resume a route with broad tourist projection is for us a way to continue supporting the development of the country."
Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Also leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think. Alright guys, have a good day.